Rewarded Play does not publish a universal VIP tier structure that guarantees extra rewards for every user, so whether it is worth it depends on what benefits your account actually receives. By the end, you'll know how to check Rewarded Play VIP features, what to compare, and when a higher tier is worth using. Start by checking what VIP benefits are available inside your Rewarded Play account. Reward apps can offer different features based on account activity, promotions, and available rewards. Open the Rewarded Play app and look for any VIP information, account messages, or special offers connected to your profile. The main thing to compare is whether the VIP benefits give you more value than your normal Rewarded Play activity. A VIP tier is useful when it provides benefits that directly improve how you earn or redeem rewards. Check whether your account receives better reward options, special promotions, or additional features compared with a standard account. You should also compare how much time you spend using the app. If you rarely use Rewarded Play, VIP benefits may not make a noticeable difference because you are not using the extra features often. If you regularly complete activities and use the app, check whether the VIP features improve your overall experience. Another step is reviewing the requirements connected to the VIP tier. Some reward programs base special benefits on account activity or eligibility. Look inside the app for any requirements before deciding whether the tier is useful for you. Avoid judging the VIP tier only by the name. The value comes from the actual benefits available on your account, and whether those features match how you use Rewarded Play. If you cannot see VIP information or your benefits seem incorrect, contact Rewarded Play support through the available help options. Provide details about your account and the VIP feature you are asking about so support can check your account status. The main points are checking your available VIP benefits, comparing them with your normal app usage, and reviewing any requirements connected to the tier. Open Rewarded Play and check your account section first, because the available VIP options may be different from what another user sees. Subscribe for more reward app comparisons, troubleshooting guides, and earning app tutorials. And like the video if this helped you understand whether Rewarded Play VIP is worth it.